Oregano is a staple in kitchens around the world. This aromatic herb does more than just flavor our favorite dishes. It holds a powerful secret, a potent cocktail of healing compounds. For centuries, traditional medicine has revered oregano for its medicinal properties. Modern science is now catching up, confirming what these ancient practices knew all along. Oregano's distinct flavor comes from compounds like carvacrol and thymol. These natural chemicals possess powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Adding a sprinkle of oregano to your food is like adding a dose of natural medicine. Oregano acts as a natural weapon against harmful bacteria. Studies show that carvacrol, a key compound in oregano, effectively combats bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus. These bacteria are common culprits in food poisoning and skin infections. Oregano's antimicrobial action extends beyond bacteria. It's also effective against certain fungi and parasites. This makes oregano a valuable ally in fighting various infections. Incorporating oregano into your diet can contribute to a healthier, more resilient you. Oregano doesn't just fight off invaders, it strengthens your body's natural defenses. Rich in antioxidants, oregano helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals weaken the immune system. Oregano's high antioxidant content, particularly rosmarinic acid, helps neutralize these harmful molecules. This strengthens your body's resistance to infections and promotes overall well-being. Adding oregano to your diet is like giving your immune system a powerful boost. Oregano isn't just good for fighting off infections, it's also beneficial for your gut. It can help soothe digestive discomfort and promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Oregano's antimicrobial properties help keep harmful bacteria in check. This herb also contains fiber, which aids digestion. A healthy gut contributes to better nutrient absorption, stronger immunity, and even improved mood. By incorporating oregano into your meals, you're not just adding flavor, but also investing in your digestive health.